In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts and select Add Emergency Contact. Now click on all of your contacts that you wish to add, and when you finished, save them by hitting Done at the bottom. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To delete one of them, hit those three dots at the top right corner, tap on Delete, click on the one that you wish to remove, and confirm your choice by tapping on this bin at the bottom. Lastly, make sure that this switcher next to Show on Lock Screen is blue for emergency contacts to show up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!